Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to have multiple lines with different customization. So we are going to plot the following functions. These three functions. We want to have y equals to x to the power of 3. So let me put the power, to the power of 3. And we would like to have a solid line, a red line with square markers. Then we would like to have another line, which is this function y equals to, in parentheses, we have minus 2 multiplied by x to the power of 2. And we close the parentheses plus 5. We would like to have a purple dashed line with triangle marker for this one. And finally, we are having a function y equals 3x minus 4, which is an orange dotted line with cross markers. In order to plot these three customized lines, we are going to import our libraries. Then we are going to have the generation for x values from -3 to 3. We are going to have 30 points. Okay. And we're going to use the linspace function from the NumPy library and assign it to x. Then it's the time for us to define our functions. So because we are having three functions, we are going to label them y1, y2, and y3. We have x to the power of 3, which is this one. Then we are having y2, which is negative 2 multiplied by x to the power of 2 plus 5. And finally, y3 equals 3x minus 4. Okay, so these are the implementation of our three functions. After that, we need to plot these functions. So we plot the first function x and y1. And we said that we want a solid line, so we are having only one dash. The marker should be square, so the marker is S, and the color should be red, so the color is red, and we are going to label the function as well. Then we are having the second plot, x and y2. The line style is 2 dashes because we wanted to have dashed line. And because we wanted to have a purple one, we are having the purple color, and triangle marker is there. So the triangle marker is like this. And then we are having the label. Finally, for the third function, we are having x, y3, because x is the horizontal line and y3 is the vertical line. So we are having the dotted line. So dotted line, we use colon. The marker, because we want cross markers, we are looking for x here. It should be orange, so we are having the color orange, and then we label it as the function is. Okay. After that, we are going to label our figure. So x-axis, y-axis, and multiple custom styled lines. So this is the title. Because we are having the labels here, we need to use the legend function in order to have it here. Okay, so if I comment this legend function, as we see here, this will disappear. But this is now it's hard to see what is what. Okay, so this legend function is very helpful to understand the labeling. So you see that the square marker with the red line is for this function, for example. So I know, okay, red is my first function, for example. And after that, we simply use the show function to plot the figure. Here is my figure. This is the x-axis, y-axis, the title. This is the legend. And these are our figures. And as we see, the first one is red. X starts from -3 to 3. And it has 30 points on each of these lines. There are 30 points. And we see that it's the representation of x to the power of 3. Then we are having the second function here, which is shown by triangle purple, we see it is shown here, and then finally we are having the third function with the cross marker, so we see it here also. Thank you for watching.